Hey, I didn't hear you say, can you get that cream from my butt? Because you said eat that meatloaf, and I was looking at the food, and then you said...
See, like this. I need so much stuff in my butt. He said, these potatoes. No.
Oh,
I said,
that would have been a greasy mess in your crack.
I said, I don't think that one would.
I didn't hear you say butt. Thought you said, hand, I'll try some of them potatoes. Oh, God.
Oh, that's good. I put you.
Oh.
I said, I need that stuff in my butt. He said, some potatoes. No. No.
Definitely not. Oh, Lordy. You'll never look at taters the same again. You'll be peeling them to make some, and you'll be like, Lord, crack cream. Your butt cream.
That's what they done with that.